We are here in Valgard, the realm of Vikings here at Paultons Park. Now, this is our first time here. We cannot wait.
I'm very excited. Honestly, I feel like Paultons Park needed a new world. It was quite small without it, and this Viking world looks absolutely awesome. There's a lot of Viking theming I'm already seeing just literally coming to the sign here.
The theming is incredible.
Yeah, so I'm very excited to set foot here and see what it's about.
It's going to be awesome. We got the GoPro to show all the rides. We're going to check all the stuff to have here, so it's going to be very awesome. Let's go. Just at the entrance already, you can see how incredible it looks with the massive Viking here. That is absolutely awesome. I mean, I'm a fan of Vikings in general, so this world, just seeing all this stuff, all the intricate details, this is going to be fun for me as a Viking fan myself. Here's obviously the main ride in the park right now, the biggest ride at Paultons Park. 0 minutes wait time for Drakon. That is absolutely incredible. We're going to go on this one later. We're first going to do some of the other rides here. But these rides all look incredible. We have the Vild Swing or the Wild Swing. It looks awesome here. We're going to see if Luna can go on it. So Luna can go on this Wild Swing on. We're going to give it a go. We got the GoPro. This is going to be very fun. So I cannot wait for this one. Let's go. I already see some cool troll things going on here. That is absolutely awesome. All the different music playing to create a bit of an atmosphere as well. It's so well done.
Pull the restraint down from above your head.
There we have the Drakon ride. We're going to do that one later. The whole area looks absolutely awesome, but we're going to take you through it as well. Now it is time for Vild Swing.
Wheelchair users should enter the ride via the exit. Grip tight, steady your courage, and prepare to swing high.
You ready? High five. Oh, here we go. Whoa. Ooh. Whoa. Woo. Hold on, hold on. Woo.
That's fun.
Whoa. Woohoo. Put your head back, girl. Whoa. Whoa. Woo.
Wow, you need a big go ride.
Woohoo! Whoa! Whoa! Was it fun, girl? We just did the Vild Swing. That is such a fun ride.
A really fun ride. It gets you. Like when it goes back, you don't expect that, and then it does. It goes forwards and then it goes backwards as well. So yeah, really, really fun ride. It goes on for quite a long time.
It does, yeah. A really good ride cycle time there. Luna absolutely loved it. Luna, did you like that one?
You like the one?
She absolutely loved that one. She was screaming and she absolutely loved it. She wants to go on it again. But this whole area is so well themed, and I've never ever been on a ride like that. That's a bit of a weird one. So I really enjoyed it. We're gonna probably try to do it again. But that was really fun. All right, we're gonna give Raven a go here. I don't know if Luna can go on, but we're gonna try. Either way, we are gonna get on-ride footage from it. But there's some really cool things happening around here. All the rides intertwining as well. The big wheel spinning for Drakon. And even here we have the whole target practice kind of scarecrow thing here.
Oh, wow, that's so cool.
All children under 8 years of age must be accompanied by responsible
Some incredible theming here. We've got the ravens on the barrels as well with the shields and all the food on the other side of the station. Wow. Thank you. Alrighty, by myself.
Okay, so unfortunately again, Luna just missed out on that ride, which is so unfortunate, but you went on it. How was it?
It was a bit rough. I will say it was a little bit rough. It was fun. I just think it would have been more fun with someone on it. I was the only one on my cart. The first time in my life I've ever been the only one on a roller coaster at that time. Felt weird, felt eerie, but I mean, it is the Raven, it's got to be eerie. There was a close call with your head on the last part of the ride, which I do like about it. But other than that, it's a pretty cool ride, but I do
really
think,
cool
yeah, the station itself and the line, I'd say, is probably better themed than what the ride actually is, but it's still a fun ride. I know for a fact this used to be an old ride that they've now made into the Raven for this, so it does go well with that, but it's time for the big one now. It's time for Drakon. Alrighty, it's time for Drakon. 5-minute wait. Not bad at all. And as soon as you walk in, you already see the shields and all the Viking stuff like this, the little lantern stuff. You even see all the kind of target practice things with the spear sticking out the ground. You can even see the apple with the kind of arrow through it. So that's really well done with all the barrels tipped over. It looks like they've been practicing here. Even this side, you can see all the kind of bows and arrows right in the thing. But yeah, look at this ride. This is going to be a very, very fun one. Wow. Alright, so I just did Drakon, the new ride here in the UK. You can see it going up there. It is absolutely incredible. Wow. More than vertical drop as well. It goes up vertically, and when you go up, the nice thing about it, you see that little wheel there. It looks like the sheep is powering the ride to go up. So you stop there first, as you see in the video, and the sheep kind of powers it to go around and around, and then it starts going up. Really cool. There was one kind of thing in that ride. It was like a inversion, but it didn't go the whole way around. You stay at the top and then you go back. One of the best things I've ever experienced on a roller coaster. Not the longest ride at all, but a really well themed ride. You saw the line, you've seen the ride. This area here, as I said as well, probably the best themed area in any theme park in the UK by far. So I think other theme parks have a lot to kind of try catch up on, because this is looking incredible. Drakon, really fun ride. Wish it was longer. Can't complain though. Operations were quick. I asked for a front row and they gave me a front row as well, so awesome ride. So we are here in the heart of Valgard. You can see Raven going up here. You can see Drakon right behind it as well. The one thing I really like about this, the map of Valgard, the realm of the Vikings, you got all the things going on here, all the music playing. It's so well themed as well. I know I've said that so much today, but it's actually so surprising and so good to see the level of detail in this place. But yeah, this whole area looks awesome. I mean, you can even see the play area looks like a Viking themed play area, which is really fun with the little boats. So we're here now with Luna in the little play area, and it's fun because the roller coaster actually comes right around it. Do you want to go down the slide? Yeah. She's loving it. Really fun play area here. They've actually made this like a little tree you can climb into for the kids to slide down. So we can, hopefully Luna can go through here. Luna, do you want to go down this one? Okay, we're about to have a look at the feasting hall. Now this is apparently one of the main things, that part of the new area here in Valgard. There's a few things, don't know if you can see right there, but there's a lot of good things on the menu. Now this feasting hall is made to look like a Viking feasting hall. It is absolutely humongous. It is really well made. Just look at some of the stuff. You got the kind of little guitar things on the wall. You got the fur kind of coat things. The boat as well right here. Wow. I mean, the theming in here is absolutely incredible. The lights, the kind of chandelier with the horns as well. The shield with the different banners. Oh, wow. This place is absolutely incredible. The theming is just wow. So we can see one of the menus here. So from the fire of the Vikings, the big feast, like a half chicken, chicken breast, warrior box meals as well. Wraps and bowls, sides. They got the little Viking meals for the little ones. And just look at this. You got all the apples here with the barrels. It just looks like a big feasting hall here. So they've really done it extremely well. So you obviously, we've got the ship here, the Viking ship, where you can eat with all the shields. And the seating areas in the Viking ship. That is absolutely incredible. Look at this. Look at the fire. The rock sculpture here. Made to look like a face. Probably the best cafeteria kind of eating area in any theme park in the UK by far. Alright, so a regular half grilled chicken served on the bone with crispy skin, flame grilled, plus a drink, £21. So it probably will be a bit more expensive in here. But I mean, for this, you don't really just pay for this. You pay here, you pay to sit in the actual thing there. So it's all worth the money. And there's little things you can get as well. I mean, the box meals and burgers, wraps and salads, and then also the little Viking warrior meals, so for the little ones as well. So no, absolutely awesome. So that was Valgard, the Viking realm here at Paultons Park. That was absolutely incredible. What do you think of it?
Really, really cool. There's actually quite a few rides just for that little area, and the whole area is themed. Like it's Viking land for a reason, because it's literally just Viking themed, which is what you want. But you had fun on the rides. Luna unfortunately missed out, but I mean, they have to take precaution, I guess. But those rides do look fun.
And as I was saying there in the feasting hall, this probably is the best themed area in a theme park in the UK, 100%.
Yeah, I'd agree.
I mean, the rides here are awesome. The theming is everywhere, as Grace said. Really fun place. Not as big as I thought. I would say probably not as big as I thought.
No.
But it kind of makes up for it with all the intricate details all around.
Yeah, I mean, this Viking world has definitely added a massive bonus to Paultons Park.
So yeah, that was us from here. If you do enjoy the content, please don't forget to like and subscribe to help the channel grow. We really appreciate all the support, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.